pusa namin. Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you, babe.
Ay, thank you po.
Thank you, babe.
Thank you, babe.
The story has happened to everyone else. I'm not sure what to do when you open your mouth. Every word's like a brushstroke. You're painting my hopes way up high. Look up at the sky. Do you see that?
Pwede ba mag-Valorant dyan? Bawi yan, pre. Totoo yan.
Babe, thank you for this. Thank you for supporting my dreams as well. Marami tayong ma-accomplish dito and yeah, yun na. Thank you.
Some of the little things.
Uy, gagi, natutumba ako.
Everything.
Kaya mo ba ako?
You fill in the blanks in all the right ways. There's no way you should know.
Paano ako?
Ano sa iyo? Story has
Ben!
happened.
Don't tingin.
Everyone else. A little freaked out. Seeing them for myself.
My God, nasa video yan!
Like a big giant sign in the sky that screams this is right. Do you see that too? The moon just turned blue. Nothing I can do, just something about you.
Wala, niyak ako. Di ba, kasi sabi ko, sana may tumating na nalasipay ko na kaya umalin katulad ng pumal ng hindi ko. Tapos dumating na.
Did you see that too? The moon just turned blue. Story has happened to everyone.
Thank you for pagpapalaki sa akin. Late ko lang nalaman na si Sarian, ako yung pinanganak. Tapos overdue pala ako. Clear na sa akin yung mga challenges na pinagdaanan natin. Kaya nandito na ako. Papasalamat ako kung hindi mo ako pinapayaan. Salamat pa.
The moon just turned blue.
Ano dapat ang ini-expect kapag mag-asawa?
Look at the
Ini-expect
you just
na kayong dalawa ay hindi na dalawa. Kayo ay magiging isa.
Cool ka lang, nak, ha? Chill. Medyo ano kasi to eh.
Laging galit. May mic to, mami, ah.
Okay lang yun.
Ay, nako.
Oh, tingnan mo! Sabi ko sa'yo!
Halagaan mo siya rin.
Tama na po.
Baby mo, halagaan natin lahat. Love you.
Love you.
Please know that this church, that the parish of St. Peter the Apostle, and all the people of God will be praying for you. Sana ay manatili kayo sa pagmamahal hanggang sa dulo ng inyong buhay.
My dearest wife, babe,
Ka nang umiyak?
I'm standing here with you today. You are the love of my life, my everything. I promise to love you unconditionally. Support our dreams together. I know marami pa tayong pagdadaanan na pagsubok. But tulad nga lagi ko sinasabi, for all the good and the bad times, andito lang ako.
Sa lahat ng support for being the good provider. Kahit na lagi tayo naaway. Pero hindi ko mapapaka kung hindi kita awayin. I love you so much, babe.
I'll be
all the rest of their life. And
Jipit yan.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon. Ayan. Paul Vincent, maaari mo nang halikan ang iyong asawa.
Kaya ka tinatawag, ikaw ang perfect dyan.
Meron ba?
Ano ba yan? Hindi talaga ako sa sharp.
Ganun ka kayaman.